Hey, what's going on Filecoin Hollywood? Today video is going to be very special. This is live price prediction of Filecoin and you watching ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button. Also, if you have need this type of informative and latest brand news, so please subscribe this channel if you need. Okay, and also press the subscribe press the bell icon for videos notification. So let's get started the Filecoin prediction. Okay guys, so the Filecoin prediction is very important, and those days, especially in those days, because this is the very bad day and very critical situation for all cryptocurrencies. Every cryptocurrency has totally completely gone very fastly like this. You can see here totally very bad change. Filecoin has completely gone down in last 12-hour result. You can see here this is last 12-hour result, and they completely goes down. The minus 0.98% they goes down. So my brother, this is very critical situation. What we do in this critical situation, kindly also share your opinion. I am also share my opinion in this video. So if you can see here, they take a small dump, but again they also, you can see here, take a small jump also, but again they're starting dump very fastly going dump. I can't believe this, why they totally goes down. This is not a first week of this month. Every cryptocurrencies goes down in those days, but I don't know why they cannot starting jumping in those days, because this is the second week. I think at the mid of month they hopefully gone up like a rocket. But what's your petition, what's your opinion, what your expectation? Please share it in a comment box. My expectation is totally good. I hope Filecoin starting going up. But what's your expectation? Please, this is also very important. Let's check it out guys. The last 24-hour result. The last 24 hours are almost very important. You know why? This is one big reason to why the one day result is very important. If you check out the last 1 day result, then I think also the last 1 day result is a negative. If you check out the last 1 day result, then also it is a negative, then please sell it. Don't be wait. Okay, don't be wait and just oh my goodness, I am going wrong this time. If you can see here, the result is positive, so I cannot go to sell any Filecoin token. Okay, so you can see here this is plus 3.54% going up. So congratulations my brother. Filecoin is very fastest cryptocurrency. Everybody know this. This is not a selling time. Okay, this is not a selling time. Everybody know this. This is absolutely, if you have any plan to buy more, then this is a good time. Absolutely, this is a good time for a buying. Please buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. Hope they give you a good profit. I hope they make you a millionaire. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.